With so many bunkhouse RVs out there, finding the right couples camper can honestly be a real chore. And if you plan on frequenting national park campgrounds or others with size restrictions, your selection criteria gets even more specific. Luckily, we've drummed up unique floor plans that make for the perfect couples travel trailer. The best part, they're all under 30 feet and great for national parks. So here they are, and we're here to take a closer look at each to save you some time in finding the right one. Let's kick things off with the Flight SLX 210 QBW. Now, compared to the Jayco Flight campers, the SLX travel trailers are more affordable and come with fewer bells and whistles. But I think you'll be surprised at the level of quality and comfort you get from a small, lightweight, affordable couples camper like the 210 QBW. Here are the top 3 reasons the 210 QBW might be best for you. 1, it's lightweight and SUV towable. 2, it's affordable. And 3, you just need the basics, but refined. Offering a rear living floor plan with full windows, a straightforward kitchen, a modest bathroom, and a comfortable bedroom, the 210 QBW is a classic open concept couples camper that has the basics you need. Plus, you still get some of the elevated designs and amenities as with the full Flight version, just without the higher price tag. For example, you're looking at elevated 81-inch ceilings, which are not just helpful in the shower for more headroom, but your overhead cabinets are a little higher up, giving you more space and clearance. Speaking of those cabinets, the 210 has hardwood cabinet doors in this light brown as well as the white colorway. These complement the residential style countertop, sink, and carpetless floors. In a small camper like this, there's no wasted space. I like the cabinets above the sofa, the pantry, and the storage in the dinette seats. You'll notice how the kitchen countertop butts right against the dinette, which helps streamline the look and feel, but you might need to utilize that dinette table for food prep because, well, the kitchen is rather humble. Still, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, 12-volt compressor-driven fridge, again, everything you need. Now, while the bathroom may lack significant storage options, you get what you need for 2 people. And the on-demand tankless water heater is truly the star of the show here, promising near limitless hot water. The bedroom gives you a perfectly comfortable queen-size bed with storage underneath, nice half-wardrobe storage on both sides, overhead reading lights, a privacy curtain when entertaining a guest, and power outlets next to both nightstands. You also have a place to mount a TV if you so choose. A fully finished pass-through storage on the exterior of the 210 is honestly my favorite feature because this helps keep the interior of a smaller camper like this one organized and clean. You can of course use plastic bins or whatever you need so that this smaller space doesn't get cluttered. A couple of other exterior features include things like a power tongue jack, factory standard solar package, backup camera prep, propane quick connect, tinted privacy windows, power awning, and a solid entry step. Now, if you and your partner are looking for a comfortable place to eat, sleep, and rest in between adventures, the Jayco 210 QBW is a fantastic option, whether price is a factor or not. But this is still going to be a traditional build option. So if you're looking for something else, well, that's where we want to visit the brand new 2025 fiberglass floor plan from a new manufacturer partnership, the Keystone Coleman Legacy 1905 RB. Keystone Coleman Legacy promises campers an elevated entry-level camping experience with some choice improvements that they know all campers will love. Solid surface countertops, increased interior height, a massive TV, a king-size bed, just to name a few, and we're just getting started. But first, here are the top 3 reasons the 1905 RB might be the right one for you and your partner. 1, you want a large TV on a small RV. 2, durability and quality at the best price point. And 3, you prioritize fiberglass sidewall construction. The 1905 RB is the shortest camper in the Legacy lineup, making this a fantastic option for those who want more creature comforts without getting a larger RV or paying a higher price. It's just 23 feet and with a single slide out, this is an open concept that perfectly suits 2. Now, a rear bath floor plan like the 1905 typically has a more open layout with a larger kitchen workspace, and that's true here. However, I would argue the placement of the theater seats and the 50-inch TV is also a huge benefit of having the bathroom in the back. The bathroom itself includes a spacious linen closet that's rather rare for a camper this size. A 30-inch by 40-inch shower with plenty of headroom and a pocket sliding door that's easy to use and save space. Don't forget the on-demand tankless water heater too. Now, as mentioned, the kitchen features true solid surface countertops. In addition, by putting this stainless steel sink back here, it buys you more countertop space beneath the television, great overhead storage, and a large campside facing window. But before we move on, take a look at the residential-sized double-door refrigerator located in the slide-out. Now, according to Keystone, this was an early must-have amenity that honestly informed the overall design for the rest of the camper. For those who want to eat well while camping, that is a great feature. The open concept of the 1905 RV puts the bedroom at the front of your living space, but the theater seats at the end of the slide-out help mark the transition. I personally love the storage at the foot of the bed and the elevated steps on either side of the bed for additional flat storage. Deep wardrobe storage, overhead cabinets. This is your studio apartment at the campsite. The benefits of a laminated fiberglass sidewall construction include improved insulation, aerodynamics, and therefore better fuel efficiency, and just overall aesthetics. It makes the RV look sleek and modern. Add the black glass door with the Legacy logo, and you've honestly just got a really sharp-looking camper. Some other exterior features include things like solid step entry, the outdoor TV prep, rear camera prep, aluminum tires, fully enclosed and heated underbelly, propane quick connect, and a mounted spare tire. I'm honestly just really impressed with the entire Legacy line from Coleman, and this is a fantastic couples camper that is well under our 30-foot limit. Now we enter into our next two RVs in this category, and these are a bit of departure from those we've explored so far. Both are going to be Cougar half-ton travel trailers, and they're similar in length, but they offer more variety in floor plan, slide-out options, and layout. So let's kick things off with the front kitchen Cougar, the 25 FKD. The Cougar 25 FKD is a front kitchen couples travel trailer that offers some of the most residential features we've seen on the list so far. Comfort is king with this travel trailer, made possible in part by two slide-outs, yet it's still under 30 feet. Here are 3 reasons the Keystone Cougar 25 FKD might be right for you. 1, you want a separate, spacious bedroom. 2, you love to cook. And 3, you want a unique floor plan. If you've never considered a front kitchen camper, you're in for a treat with this one. I mean, just take a look at the extent of this pressed seamless counter space, under-mounted stainless steel sink, high-rise kitchen faucet, and even better, you have this front window to provide natural light during food prep and good views, as good of views anyway, as you can find at your campsite. Truly, this front kitchen is a camp chef's dream. Enjoy shaker-style hardwood cabinets and drawers, and even a spot below the oven for your pots and pans. And I love this area where you have your cooktop with a glass cover, a 21-inch Furion range, a microwave, and your refrigerator within reaching distance. And if you're worried about storage, the fun doesn't end at the TV. Simply open it up, and you have a huge walk-in pantry. The 25 FKD comes standard with a booth dinette with storage drawers on either side, but you do have the option to purchase this with freestanding chairs instead. A similar situation exists with the tri-fold sofa. You have the option to replace it with theater seating like you see here. A large cooking area, tables and chairs, large TV, tons of storage, a comfortable and convertible lounging area. The front half of this RV has everything you want at the campsite. But what about the back half? Well, you can enjoy a shower with private bedroom access, which is great when you're hosting guests. And to make matters better, the 25 FKD has 2 entry doors, one to the bedroom and one that enters in the kitchen. So if you have guests and want that independent bathroom and exterior RV access, both the living room and bedroom are all set. And finally, the bedroom. Not only do you get a slide-out bed that's easy to walk around, but you get huge storage at the foot of the bed, a second AC, and as we talked about before, the private entrance. Now, when it comes to the exterior of the Cougar, one of the biggest features, in my mind at least, is the Lippert anti-lock brake system. A lot of people think the ABS brakes come on RVs because they do on your automobile, but that's not the case, and that's a great safety option. You'll also get Goodyear Endurance tires and aluminum wheels. On top of that, a friction hinge entry door, Lippert solid steps, a fully finished pass-through storage, and prep for a rear backup camera. So if you enjoyed this camper, you're going to love the next one. Let's check out the Cougar 22 MLS. This popular open concept couples travel trailer offers a unique rear kitchen floor plan that incorporates a number of our favorite features into just one layout. This camper has just about everything you'd want from a couple's travel trailer, but it's all in a cohesive, streamlined space. This camper might be right for you if you're looking for the following 3 things. 1. Large panoramic windows. 2. Lots of storage. Or 3. Residential features. Featuring an upgraded super slide out that expands the living room and kitchen, the open floor of the 22 MLS is spacious and inviting. For a travel trailer of this size, it's tough to incorporate a comfortable dinette, theater seating, a bed, and a kitchen into one space, but this does so pretty effortlessly. A notable reason for this is the location of the bathroom in this rear left corner. Remember, the previous Cougar we just looked at, where the bathroom separated the living area and the bedroom. Here, you don't have that separation. Instead, one entryway in one main room. Let's explore the back kitchen, where we have the large window, stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet, and then a pressed countertop split between the rear wall and the side wall. Throughout, there's a number of hardwood drawers and cabinets, giving you ample storage overall. It kind of reminds me of the front kitchen of the 25 FKD, only without the exterior access door. Everything is nested together. The oven, the microwave, the cooktop, and the refrigerator. Now there's a thin divider wall on the other side of the refrigerator, creating a separator between the kitchen and the theater seating. This also happens to be the first RV on our list with standard theater seating. The placement here is ideal and puts you directly in line with the large mounted TV. Now, the king bed is obviously a draw for the couple looking for a spacious sleeping area, but there are 2 additional features that, in my mind, really elevate this bedroom. Starting with the front windshield window. It gives you this natural skylight, and that, in combination with the mirrored wardrobe cabinets and side windows, just create a really open feel to this bedroom area. The second feature will be the drawers at the bottom of the bed, new in 2025, which pull out for easy access under bed storage. Not only is there a lot of storage inside the Cougar, there's a lot of storage on the outside. Because new for 2025, this small camper now offers drop frame storage, meaning you get a much bigger access door and a ton more storage. This is nearly 5th wheel levels of storage on a travel trailer that's still well under 30 feet in length. Plus, you have all the other exterior features that the previous Cougar travel trailers have had. Things like solar prep, Goodyear endurance tires, and aluminum wheels, including a full spare. A friction hinge entry door, Lippert solid step, prep for a rear backup camera, and an outdoor shower. The 22 MLS is a longtime favorite, and the changes to the 2025 model year honestly only enhance its livability. And that's going to do it for our list of the best couples travel trailers under 30 feet. If you have a favorite, be sure to let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great RV videos like this one.